Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by if you're new here. Today I have an unboxing video for you. We're gonna unbox this cool hairstyle from Dyson. This is a gift edition. If you want to see more, please continue to watch this video. We'll get started very shortly. So we're gonna unbox the Dyson. This is Dyson Airwrap Complete Lawn. It's a gift edition. It has all those attachments that we're gonna look up, and this is gonna be just unboxing, and maybe in the next video we'll just try it out and see how it works. So I grab my knife and I'll try to cut the flip it over. Ooh, that looks very good. So I'm gonna put it like this. This is actually very, very huge. So I'm gonna pull that thing from the box and then we'll go look closer. All the attachments and everything. This from the box. This looks pretty good. This is the box itself. Alright, so we took out of the box. Here it is. This is pretty big size for hair accessory. This is the brush. This is like a metal, it's cold, and this is like a plastic thingy. There's the bristles. It's pretty cool. Try to brush. It's pretty good. It's not doesn't hurt the scalp or anything, so it's pretty good brush and very soft. It also comes with this, I believe it's like a, oh wow, this is very soft. This material. I think it's like to travel bag or something like that. You can put things here, and it's even labeled here what is where to place, and it has a little thing to close. This is very impressive. I think the color is actually different. This one is like a blackish and this is dark navy, things like that. Alright, that looks pretty cool. Let's see what else. So you got this brush, just a plastic one, and we'll have to figure out what it needs for, but it has these holes. So like right here, and holes on the other side, so probably have to see what that is for. And by the way, if you own one of those, let me know in the comments below, or give it to this video a thumbs up if you like your Dyson. And let me know in the comments which Dyson hair device do you have and how you like it. Let's see. So open this main one. It's wrapped in this like a paper thingy. So unbox here. It's very nice material. This is like this is soft, and this one is kind of like anti-slip through or something like that. All right. So let's see. Oh, this comes off, and I can probably show you closer. So this is very like a velvety, and this is one is smooth. It has Dyson in it. All right. So this thing, let's see, welcome to your Airwrap. Stylers, scan QR code to watch startup videos, register your product, blah blah blah. It's actually giving you this quick instructions how to style it. It's pretty cool. And it's kind of glued in this foam. Scan to unlock your exclusive benefits. This is the main device. Alright, so that will go next. We'll unbox this thing. You can see the texture is pretty smooth here, and this is like a gold. And this is the cable. Let me take a second and unbox the cable here. Wow. That's a long cable. Give you this things to make sure it's dry. Alright, this one have a life hack. So if you see like kind of like this, that you kind of can take it out, have to keep it, but this one is kind of makes you insane. So what you can do, you can wrap it like this, and it goes like any cable. That's what I do. So you're not removing it, but you just kind of rolling it around the cord like this. And I have a little tape here. And you just tape it on the paper. And this is so much better compared to this. So I have to do this one later. So this is the plug. So you have a reset and test button, which is kind of fancy, but it's standard for like if you have any other hair dryer, so pretty standard too. And it has this kind of like a computer little thing here, and like I said, it's pretty long cable, and you have your main machine. So set this for a little bit. So you have like an instruction here. Let's see what else. So you have this attachment. So this is, you know, like a brush attachment. And again, I'll test it in other videos. So here, this video is just like unboxing. If you're thinking to buy, if you want to see how it looks in person, hopefully this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Either somebody who watching this video will help answer it, or I will try to answer. You know, if you have any like questions regarding how it looks, maybe specs or things like that, leave it in the comment below. So you kind of click it, pull it down, because this is lock, this unlock, and it has these 3 buttons here as well. So there's also this brush, and let's see what else it comes with. It comes with this. So this is like to dry your hair, I believe. This is all plastic, and this what is it? Rose gold. That's metal. Let's see. Comes in this too. Open this. It's a lot of paper that I have to clean from the floor. Let's see. Yep, another paper. So you have this, like a larger or thicker and thinner attachments. So all this plastic, and this is rose gold. Okay. Show you here. It's pretty like a large compared to like, it's almost like up to here. So it's pretty big tool. And let's see what else we got. Another paper. Oh, and you got this styling thing. Pretty cool. And let's see what else. So you got like a divider here. Probably gonna leave it. Got something here on this little thing. Okay. Looks like this. I don't know what that is. Probably have to look it up. If you own the Dyson and you already know, help us out. Leave a comment below, what is this for? And I think that's all attachments that came. So you got the main device, you got 2 of like this, got two brushes. One is like this, and one is like this. So you got this little thingy, and you got this guy, and this guy. And you got two brushes. And let's see what else. Oh, and got this travel case, which is very nice. It's like a soft as a pillow, velvety looking like. Oh, I got it now. So this one is like a dark navy, and this is black on that side, and it's pink around it. That's all that came in the box. I'll show you closer look. Again, I will do a separate video for like trying on and tips and tricks. If you want to see that video, give it a like or leave it in a comment below what you want to see. Maybe specific attachment you want me try. Leave it in a comment below. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.